ad extensions are vital components for optimizing your digital advertising efforts and maximizing the visibility of your business. The different types of extensions available include business name, business logo, sitelink, callout, structured snippet, call, lead form, location, price, app, and promotion. To add any of these extensions, navigate to Ads and Assets and click on Assets. Here you will be able to view all of the assets associated with your account. Sitelink extensions are additional links to specific pages on your website. They help searchers navigate to specific web pages they are looking for without having to scroll through your landing page, providing them with a greater user experience. To create a new Sitelink extension, click on Sitelink. Here you will be able to view all of the extensions that have already been created. Now click on the plus sign and enter the headline, description, and final URL of the site link. For this example, I will be creating a site link for the Contact Us page of our website. The site link text would be Contact Us. The first description would be available 24/7 via email or phone. The second description will be, we'll get back to you in 30 minutes. And the final URL would be our Contact Us webpage URL. On the right-hand side, you can view how the Sitelink extension would look to viewers and make changes to it accordingly. You can also add more site links if you like. And once you're done, click Save. Now let's take a look at callout extensions. Callout extensions showcase unique offerings and can be used to capture the attention of your target audience in a compelling way. To add a callout extension, click on Callout, then click on the blue plus sign. Some callout text examples include custom solutions and dedicated account manager. Once you have added all of the callout text you would like, click Save to save your changes. Now, let's move on to a structured snippet extension. A structured snippet provides additional context about the advertised product or service and is displayed below the ad's call to action button. The snippet allows advertisers to showcase specific features and benefits of their offerings, such as types of products or services, brands, styles, or customer service options, and helps their ads stand out in the search results pages. To add a structured snippet extension, click on Structured Snippet, and then click on the blue plus sign. Now choose a header type, based on the offering you are wanting to showcase. For this example, we will choose Service Catalog and input the values SEO, PPC, and social media to highlight the specific services offered. Once you're done, click on Save to save your changes. And that's it. You have successfully created 3 extensions that will not only help you highlight the features of your unique product or service offering, but will also help potential customers find what they are looking for quickly and efficiently. Now, if you have any questions on how to set up your Google Ads account or have any requests on what you would like to see next, make sure to leave a comment down below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.